Hello beauties, welcome back to the Jolie Beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Jolie Cash and I'm the CEO of cruelty-free beauty brand Jolie Beauty. I don't know why I nearly forgot what I was then. Cruelty-free beauty brands. Just a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? I think I need like a new snappier intro, but anyway. So today, as you will have seen from the title, I am doing this Euphoria inspired makeup look. I've been pretty obsessed with Euphoria recently, and the makeup artist that works on it, I'm just in awe. She just puts all those textures together, all those colour combinations together, and I just think it looks absolutely stunning. So today I picked Maddy's, well, one of Maddy's looks. There are so many of Maddy's looks, but this one really stood out to me. I just thought it was beautiful and kind of sleek, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So if you want to find out how to do this look, then just keep on watching. And just before you watch it, if you like the look, hit the like button because it really helps the channel out. So first up, I'm going to prime my eyes a little bit, and I'm going to be using the PLouise base. These are the coloured bases, and this is in the shade Winter Rose. This pastel pink is just going to give the most gorgeous base. And I'm just going to tap that all over my eye, and then just taking a fluffy brush, I'm just buffing that up into. You can use any pink eyeshadow, you could even use a blusher on that. Just make sure that you're blending it into the crease because we're gonna move downwards from there. Next up, I'm dipping into my Intergalactic Palette, and the shade I'm going to be using here is this shade here, which is Stardust. And I'm just going in with a flat brush and I'm just tapping this on. And you'll see as I'm tapping it on how this colour shifts to a gorgeous violet, just like the pigment that has been used in the look. It gives this gorgeous soft purple effect. And then just tapping it out with my finger a little bit, just to make sure it's not too intense. I absolutely love this shade. It just gives so much like light to the eye, so pretty. Let's move on to eyeliner. I am going to be doing a winged eyeliner. For that, I'm going to be using my Infinity Eyeliner Pen. But first, I'm going to tightline my eye with a gel. This is just gonna make our eyeliner look really deep, really dark, and make our eyes stand out even more. So just taking my eyeliner on a small brush, and I'm just tightlining my upper waterline. This stuff is just so waterproof, it really won't budge anywhere. And then I can see from the photo that she's got a touch of this also on her inner waterline. So I'm just going to do the same, but it is just on the very inner corner and it doesn't go any further down the waterline. She then also has this on the outer corner of her eye, but not on the waterline, even though I've just put it on my waterline. But just try and concentrate it just underneath on the lower waterline, not the inner. And that goes around 3/4 across, just like that. Next up, I'm taking the pen eyeliner I was talking about. This is the Infinity Pen Eyeliner in the shade Black. And then with this, I'm just gonna do the best wing I possibly can. This is a super precise, really easy to use eyeliner, so I would definitely recommend getting one with a brush tip. That always works best for me, and something where it's just really fluid and it just doesn't drag your eyes. If you guys want me to do an in-depth kind of tutorial on a winged eyeliner, I'll be really happy to do that, so just let me know. And then I'm just taking that to the inner corner and making a little point. Wings are on, and now it's time to add some jewels. So I'm just using these sticky jewels. These are just from Amazon. I just like having them in my kit. They're really useful as a makeup artist, having loads of different colours. And this strip comes in 3 different sizes. I'm going to be using the smallest size. So just taking a pair of tweezers, I'm just going to line up the middle ones first. She's got 8 jewels on each side, so I'm going to do the same. So what I'm aiming for is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just following my crease. If you want to add a little bit of extra stick, you can always use lash glue at this point as well. However, I am just going to the gym after this, so I'm probably going to take these off. So I'm just using the sticky that they naturally come with. And then the most important thing is just trying to match the height as best you can. My eyebrows aren't the same, so there might be a little bit of a difference in the gap, but just try your best. Try your best. That looks about right to me. So I'm pretty happy with where the gems are. I'm just gonna curl my lashes, pop a bit of mascara on, and then I'm gonna add some falsies to the look. I just like the fact that the makeup art is so creative. Everyone just looks so good in it. It is like makeup inspo every time I watch it. Next, I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Sorry if my voice keeps going funny. I'm a bit ill today. I thought I was doing really well and no one would notice, but it's suddenly just catching up with me. And I'm just popping a pretty thick coat of that on. And then I'm just going to put it just on the outer corner on the lower lash as well. For falsies today, I am using the Eco Hemp lashes. These are in the style Spiritual, but I've cut them down so they're just going to lay on the outer part of the eye. They say shade, Spiritual, or style. I always say shade and I can't remember what I just said, but I probably said it wrong. And then I'm just popping those on to the outer wing. And that's the eye look complete. I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face and I'll be back with the final look. So here is the final Euphoria inspired makeup look. I am just so obsessed with this. It's got the iridescence, it's got the rhinestones, but I just think it's like very wearable too. Like, I know I said I wouldn't wear it to the gym, but I probably would wear this out. It just looks kind of sleek and elegant. I'd love it. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys try this out. If you do, make sure to tag me in your pictures. You guys know I absolutely love that. My username is jolie.cash or my business username is Jolie Beauty. So either one of those, tag me in it and I would absolutely love that. If you're over on TikTok, by the way, I'm really trying to grow on there. I do loads of beauty and makeup tips over there. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, it is Jolie Beauty Official. I'm on there nearly every day now and I'm getting loads of tags there and it's just so nice because I feel like people are just sharing more videos on there, so I really get to see you guys' looks in action. You guys, I don't know why I keep saying that, you guys. Before you leave me, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. I've got loads more makeup looks coming. So without further ado, I will see you in the next one. Mwah!